Come on, Lucas, feed Sissy. Good boy. That is such a good boy. Yes. Hold the bottle up a little bit. Lucas, hold the bottle up some. No. Hold it up. There. Just like that. That's a good boy. You love your little sissy? Sissy. Can you say Skyla? Can you say Skyla? Hold it up some. Can you say Skyla? Lucas, say Skyla. Say Skyla. Say Skyla. Lucas, either feed Sissy or watch your movie.
Mama.
What? Yeah, can you say Mama? Lucas, hold it like that. Just like that. Good boy. Got to hold it up so she can get it. Hold it like this. Just like that. Lucas.